What is going on, YouTube? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and today I'm going to be icing up some different shoes that aren't Jordans or Yeezys. These Metcon 4s. So check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty restoring kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
Alright guys, so I have gotten questions. Can you ice other shoes that have an icy bottom that aren't Jordans or aren't just Yeezys? Yes, you can, okay? These have that bottom right here. I'm going to test it out today, but I am positive that this is going to work. As you can see, I definitely have the yellow on the bottom of these, but it is, you can see it still has that blue, deep blue on the sides, okay? So that's how you can tell, we definitely have that blue on the bottom. But yeah, we're going to test these out, see if we can get these iced up. These are just, I use these for training and stuff like that. To be honest, this shoe actually, I've had some issues with it because it has had some sole separation. Very small, but a couple spots. So even on this side too. I wasn't 100% pleased with these. However, I still wear them, kind of use them as like beater shoes just to wear around. And so I decided, you know what? These do have the icy bottom, so why don't I try to get that ice back? Does it work on these? Does it work on other shoes besides Jordans, besides Yeezys? And by the way, it does work on Yeezys, so you can go check that out in the video. I have had a couple questions on that. But yeah, guys, we're going to see if we can ice these up and how many sessions it's going to take and if it really worked. So again, I am using the indoor method, and I am using this ice cream sauce to put on the shoes for my solution. So without further ado, we are going to get into this video and ice these up. Alright guys, so it has been officially 3 sessions, took about 2 days to do, and each session ran for between 5 to 10 hours. And again, I did this in the indoor method, the ice box, and here are the results. Now these are regular shoes with an icy bottom. We want to know, will this method still ice these shoes even though they're not Jordans or Yeezys? So without further ado, yes they will. Look at those results, guys. Again, here's the before, here's the after. Look at that difference right there. Crazy. Now again, I could keep going, try to get these even more, but these are just personal kind of beater shoes that I don't want to waste any of the sauce on. So I just did this for a video to show you guys, yes, you can do this on regular shoes with icy bottoms. I heard you can also do it on just white shoes. So that might be the next one to show you guys to see, does it really work on white shoes? And will it harm it or will it make it better? So here are those results though. Crazy. You can see definitely the heel still has some there, but definitely has cleared up since the beginning. Also up in here, this is where it was the worst, but it has gone down drastically and definitely looks a lot better. Now again, we didn't have any problems on the sides or anything, so there's no problems there. The toe is better than what it was before, but it was around the same. These shoes overall didn't take long to ice, and for the most part, they got back to clear or that blue. Again, with these shoes, luckily, I haven't had any yellowing on the sides, so that still looks good. So that's all that really matters because it's all people are seeing. So that's all with that. I still do gotta clean up the top, so it's a little dirty up there, but I'll clean those up later. But yeah, guys, I just want to show you that this can work on other shoes besides just Jordans or Yeezys. This method will get your icy bottoms back to icy. So with that being said, that is all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please put them in the comments down below. Also, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please like it up. And lastly, if you like my channel and want to see more videos just like what we did here today, please subscribe to the channel and hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. It's Scotty Restores Kicks. And do you want to be icy? Do you want to be icy? Well, it starts in the soul. So I'm going to see you next time.